This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Bowes. This is your opportunity to live in the heart of Stuart, within minutes to downtown, boat ramps, and the beaches. This 3-bedroom 2-bath home on a fenced backyard has the perfect spit plan layout for you and/or your family. This home has a screened back porch that is the entire length of the house. The backyard is fenced and has multiple trees providing great shade and some fruit. The metal roof, impact windows and newer updated kitchen are a huge plus. Also beneficial is the area high school is Jensen Beach, and the city of Stuart allow golf carts on the city streets, to which you can take a cart to downtown or even to the public library. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Bowes at 772-283-2800 extension 153.